Sorry guys, I had a problem. When I submit using the shortcut Control plus Enter, the video gets stopped and started when I click on that shortcut too. So I'm sorry guys, but I'll fix it in the next video. So let's get into the video.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel we're gonna do some good stuff, some fun stuff with you all. I've already made a video, like an introduction video for my first video, and I did a project, but I encountered a lot of problems, and those problems are when I created my YouTube channel, they told me to verify with my phone number so I can upload more than videos that are more than 15 minutes. And the second problem that I encountered was editing the video, because the video had pretty much an hour 20 seconds, and it was pretty frustrating trying to edit it. So, and yeah, that's the thing. So I encountered 3 problems, which are upload some videos that are more than 15 minutes, and the second thing is editing. It's pretty hard to edit a 1-hour video, and the third thing is me repeating words, saying other words, and because English is not my native language, so it's pretty hard to speak it. And yeah, I took freaking 5 minutes introducing this channel, so let's just give a brief summary about what we're gonna do. So on this channel, I want some of these things, which are, I'm gonna record my journey. We're gonna make it as a series, and I'll also create a playlist for this series. The series is gonna be for learning web development from the start to finish, or maybe just to get a job or get hired, and just make some money from it, or just for the sake of learning. So that's what I want to do. And yeah, I agree with this channel, so you can track my level, and also I can be motivated to post every day if I see some interactions. And yeah, or maybe also make a team, and we can develop both of our skills. You can help me and help you, because I'm not good and I'm just here for learning. Maybe you could give me some tips, or if you ask me to give you some tips, it's because now it's my 4th day, so it's my fourth day of learning. And yeah, just because in this 4th day I just had the spirit to record this video. So thank you guys for watching this. Hopefully I'll edit this amazing. Okay, so let's hop on our free code camp. This free code camp is just so good for learning. I actually made a project, because if you see here, the latest thing that I've done is learning CSS backslash by building a photo gallery. So I think we're gonna repeat this again, just 24, and it's really important, because I want to redo it for you guys, because this is an important thing, and I still didn't master it. So let's start coding. Alright, what's one? With your standard HTML boilerplate, add a doc type declaration. So this is just a start. Alright, so let's do that. So doc, alright, there's some lag, doc type, and I forgot, I guess this doc type, right? HTML, and then we're gonna do HTML length English, and then we close this out, and then we do HTML, we close out HTML element, and then we add a head and a body. Yep. So add a head. I sometimes forgot to do that. As soon as typing, and then head, and then a body, and then you're gonna fix everything for you guys, so you don't bother organizing your elements. So yeah, this is the flex box. This, you just say this is the day 1. We're in flex box for your code camp. Okay, let's turn this on full screen so you can guys see it better. So within your head elements, add a meta tag with the name set to importer and the context the device with initial scale of 1. So I think this, even though I still don't understand the formula of this element and this attribute, but I think it's just to make it a little bit responsive for every device phone, because if we don't do it, I think the page is gonna get displayed the same for desktops, phones, even though they have they don't have the same aspect ratio, and they don't have the same screen size. So I think that's what we're doing that. So we're gonna do meta. So in meta, add that, and in char set, you have I'm used to do this first because of Visual Studio Code, and maybe they taught it first. So we're gonna do name, viewport, and then content equals this width equals device width, comma, initial scale equals 1. Right, so I'm gonna start with flat socks. But like the earlier video, I actually made a lot of details on personality and what I've done, what I'm doing, everything. But here I just did everything straightforward because like I think I just had 15 minutes. So I'll try to do everything as productive and as fast as I can. So yeah, hopefully don't get bored, you guys. So here we have a header. We need a header element for the body. So header element, we'll just read everything. Add a header element within the body element and assign a class of header to it. Inside the header, create an h1 with CSS Flexbox photo gallery. So we'll just do header and then do h1 and then it's just do CSS Flexbox photo gallery and then h1. Close it out and then finish the header. Close it out and then do here class equals. That's good. Below your header element, create a new div element and assign it to a class of gallery. This div will act as a container for the gallery images. Inside that gallery element, create 9 image outlets. Okay. Alright, that sounds good. Div. This and then this. I think I should, yeah, class of gallery. Class gallery. Alright, and then here we do 5 images. Any 9. So this is the first images. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 11th. Nice. Alright, that's pretty weird to say. Takes everything. Alright, next give each image a source attribute according to its order in the document. The first image should have a source of then the rest should be the same except replace the one with the number the image is in the document. Alright. So here we're just gonna do the source. I thought we won't use a note. So I'm just gonna copy this. You're just gonna copy this and then copy this too. And then delete all of this. And then paste. This is the first we need to do it 8 times for now. So now it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we need to do here. We need to like list them by the number of order of the image. So here 2, right? Here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6, here 7, here 8, and here 9. Alright, all of them are displayed over here. They look pretty. Alright, this looks pretty bad. Okay, let's read this. I think they're gonna give us an explanation. Notice how the blue image border extends beyond the red gallery border. This is due to the way browsers calculate this. Okay, we're gonna read this again. Notice how the blue image border extends beyond the red gallery border. This is due to the way browsers calculate the size of container elements. The box sizing property is used to set this behavior. By default, the content box model is used. With this model, when an element has a specific width, that width is calculated based on the element's content. Padding and border values get added to the total width, so the element grows to accommodate these values. Try setting box sizing to content box explicitly with the global selector. At this point, you will not see any changes because you are using the default value. So there's a problem here. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about free code template. What with the global selector? What does that mean? Does that mean like a body? What's the difference? Okay, let's just set up. First, let's just set up. So the starting is 8 and shift. What's going on? What am I clicking on? I'm clicking on F8. Sorry. Where is the here? Okay. So let's say it's background. Okay, I'm such a mess. Oh my god. Why can't I type? Background. Does it say blue? Yeah, so I saw like a body maybe? I guess. So, yeah, wait a sec. Alright, so let's read it again, let's read it. Cut. Alright. Let's now try to and with what they said, we had the box sizing. They said it's not gonna change anything because, you know, if it's set by default that value that. So we're just like repeating things just to understand because it's set by default to content box. So we don't change anything. And now they're gonna tell us maybe to change it to something else like border box. That's it. But I still don't understand this, and maybe I won't use it a lot. Maybe I'll use it. I think I'm just gonna. All right, so let's see the differences. Alright, so it's here the border. So this said that the padding gets added to the width, but here like everything just like listed on the padding with everything. So that's quite good. You need to remember it. Box sizing, border box, box sizing, border box. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna forget this intended. So now that you figured out your box sizing approach, you can clean up the CSS you added up to see the changes. Remove the gallery, images, selector, and tools with it. Alright. Okay, remove all the rules with them and remove, okay. Remove everything. I also remove the other thing. Such a stupid, okay. You should not have an image selector. Also, everything I saw. I'm gonna read everything. I need to start, you know, learning how to read everything, being patient, because I have a problem, and this problem is when I'm trying to read like in English, because as I told you, like, English is not my native language. When I try to read something like I'm not gonna say complex, but something that is pretty abstract and you need some critical thinking on it. When I'm reading in English, I don't understand, especially when it's like something that is pretty long. I don't understand it from the first impression. Because yeah, I know. Because I think like I'm below average for that. Because I see some people that maybe read a little bit quickly and they understand everything. So guys, tell me in the comments how you feel about it. Do you read everything from the start and then understand everything, or you need to reread again? So yeah, let's go on. Now your images are too big. Create gallery image. Alright, so dot gallery image is just gonna. I think we can just do dot image because we only have these images here. I don't know why they told us to do all that. Okay. So here is they said select target them, give them all a width on. A width of 100 pixels. I mean 100%. Give them all and a max width of 3350 pixels. Here I don't understand another thing. There is something not good here. Alright, so okay. So we set the width to 100%, right? Yep. So the image should be displayed all over the screen. So the proof of that is just if we add a letter here to deactivate this, not just say set comment or something. Now it's all over the screen. The image is all over the screen. But now when we do this max width thing, it just changes this thing, I guess, to 350 pixels. So according to my theory, this width 100% doesn't mean anything, right? Because like if we say that meaning because max width because 100% of the image is greater than 350 pixels, and I think like the original image is higher than 350 pixels, right? So if it reaches, if it surpasses 350 pixels, you just add on 350 pixels with the image. So what I think is another thing to test is that if I let this like without max width, we did 100 pixels, a little less than the others. All right. So as I told you, that when I do like 355, it won't change. 360, it doesn't change. 380, it doesn't change. So what I actually think that is weird here is that we already know the width of the image is greater than 350 pixels. And if we're using max width of 350 pixels, that means that we want these images to be on 350 pixels in their width. So my question here is that why don't I just make 350 pixels from the first start? Here, and then if I deactivate this property, I don't think it's gonna change. Yeah, it did change. It's pretty weird, I guess. Percent. So, guys, this is the end of the video. This is like after I've recorded the video, and now while editing, I just found out that like the outro of the video isn't presented. So, guys, I would just want to tell you this is like the first video. I've been pretty lazy to edit it, and I didn't even edit it that much. But I felt like there wasn't many stuff that I can edit. It's because I don't want to be like, if I could like just show my editing skills on this video, I need to. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully we could, make something together. Don't guys forget to leave your feedbacks, etc. And yeah, don't also forget to subscribe and like this video if you like the video, and give us your feedback in the comments. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.